Welcome to this quick tutorial on iPads and how to mirror your iPad to another device. My name is Eileen Fernandez-Parker and I'm coming to you from Cultivating the Learning. So why is this important? Well, teachers have to do demonstrations and certainly the kids cannot see the iPad past the first aisle, right? The first row. If you're doing an I do, we do, you do, the kids need to be able to see what it is you're doing. Now you can see in this little guy's countenance that he doesn't seem very engaged or excited. So it could affect the remote learning as well if your students are using iPads. And the final thing is, look at the smile on this kid's face. When you share out student work, you don't want it to be on an iPad this size, right? You want it to be full screen. And students need to be able to share their work in the classroom. So what I'm going to show you is for in the classroom, and then further on we can try to figure out how you can do it remotely. So the app that I found, and I'm sure there are more apps than just this one, but the app that I found is called Let's View, and it works on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and TV. So you don't have to worry about what platform you're sharing to. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing from an iPad to a Mac, and it was very simple. Okay, so what's going to happen is you're going to download the app to both devices, and then you're going to open the device, you're going to open the app on both devices. And then this is what I saw on my monitor for my computer, and this is the code here that I have to plug into my iPad. Now, once I plug that in, then I have to swipe down and go into the control panel, and I'm going to click on screen mirroring, and then I'm going to select the one that says Let's View, and then it would have the name of your device. Okay? So the learning targets for this tutorial are that you're going to be able to download the Let's View app to the device and the iPad, connect your iPad to another device, and then adjust settings as needed. So here we go. When you go to the letsview.com website, you can just download right here for the device that you need. And then once you've downloaded, then you're going to click on the screen mirroring. You're going to match up your code. You're going to click on screen mirroring. And then what you're going to see is this. So this is what I see on mine after I hit the screen mirroring. Now, once I click on that, and then on my iPad, when I touch, now I'm live on my monitor. Okay. So you can see how to get to all of the apps. And like, let's say if I want to go to my settings, I would click settings, and then I can get in there and play around. So in the next few videos, we're going to be talking about accessibility. And right here, this is where we're going to be going for accessibility. So if I click on that, and I have to remember to touch my iPad, not my mouse. When I get into accessibility, we are going to be scrolling all the way to the bottom to look at accessibility shortcut. And then we're also just going to quickly review some of the things that are in accessibility. All right. So take a minute now to download the app to both devices and see if you can get connected. Good luck.